Tired of copying names from your spreadsheet into emails one by one? What if the email just sent itself? Today I'll show you how. Free, no code, 10 minutes. Here's what we're building. Look at this. A new customer adds their name to your spreadsheet. That's it. Make sends them a welcome email instantly. No typing, no copy-paste. You don't touch anything. Spreadsheet in, email out. That's the whole magic. Step 1. Go to make.com and click Get Started Free. Sign up with your work email or one click with a service you already use. No credit card needed, and the free plan has no time limit, so it stays free forever. Step 2. Open the templates library. It has thousands of ready-made automations. Search for Send a Gmail email from a new Google Sheets row. Perfect for a small business. New row appears, email goes out. Step 3. Connect your apps. Make asks you to link Google Sheets and Gmail. It's one click for each. Same login you already use. Make never sees your password. Step 4. Map the data. This is the clever bit. Your spreadsheet has columns: email address, subject, content. You drag each column into the matching email field. One time. Make remembers it forever. Step 5. Hit run once. Make sends you a test email. Check it. Then turn the automation on. From now on, every new row gets an email. Add a customer at midnight, they get their email before you wake up. Quick recap. Sign up free. Grab a template. Connect your apps. Map the columns. Turn it on. 5 steps. 10 minutes. 0 code. Your spreadsheet now works for you 24 hours a day. Full setup help at aisuitehq.org and comment below for a free SEO strategy session. With great power comes great responsibility. Use AI to save time and use it well.